Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back friends. Welcome back to another video lecture by microbiologist. Today in this video lecture we are going to start a series of video lecture that is related to vitamin blood test. So this is our first video that is related to vitamin test, and in this video lecture we are going to see vitamin A blood test. Okay, so my name is Muhammad Kamil Khan and you guys watching my channel Kami Microbiologist. Let's start the video. First of all, dear viewers, let's see that what we are going to explain in this video. In this video, first of all, we will see that what is actually vitamin A. Then we will see the function of vitamin A, diagnostic purpose of vitamin A, test procedure, normal range, main causes of high and low vitamin A, and treatment. Let's see the introduction. Vitamins A. This vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamins, or we can say nutrients. Okay, means it can easily be soluble into a fat solution. Next, this is the vitamin A test. If we are going to talk about vitamin A test, so it's very simple. It is actually the test through which we can check the level of the vitamin A. Okay, now vitamin A are exact, mean it can be found into two forms. The first we call that vitamin A preform vitamin A, we call it retinol. Okay, now this type of the vitamin A is the active vitamin and the body can use it directly. Next we have the occurrence of vitamin A. So vitamin A are mostly this preform vitamin A, or we can say retinol, is mostly found into the animal food, like we have fish, oil, dry products and meats. Next we have provitamins, which we call it carotenoids. Okay, now this type of the vitamin are found we have beta carotenoid that can convert into retinol. Now this type of the vitamin A is found into vegetable fruits, like we have carrot, sweet potato, guava, spinach, etc. Let's see the function of the vitamin A. Vitamin A is the most important vitamin which can maintain the skin and mucous membrane health. Next we have teeth. So vitamin A can improve the teeth health. Vitamin A can promote good vision. Vitamin A maintain good healthy breastfeeding. Vitamin A play an important role in pregnancy health. It can support immune system. It can provide growth to the baby. Okay, so these are the main function of the vitamin A. Now let's see if there is the deficiency of vitamin A in the body, so what will happen. So it can cause skin irritation, which we can say skin allergy like. It can cause night blindness, means there will be a problem in the eye vision, we can say like that. It can cause dry skin, the skin will be dry, and it can cause infertility issue, especially in the male and in the female. It can also cause the stunted growth in the children. Stunted growth means there will be any part of the body that can grow, okay, and it can affect the growth of the baby, we can say like that. Next we have frequent chest and throat infection. Next we have delayed wound healing. If let's suppose there is a wound, so if it should be healed, but due to vitamin A deficiency, the healing process will take long time. Acene is a small type of we can say acene, so it's also acene. Next we have keratomalacia. Keratomalacia is also the eye disease in which the cornea portion are become dry, or we can say cloudy. Okay, now let's see the diagnostic purpose of this test. For what purpose we can use this test? So this test can be used to diagnose vitamin A deficiency and disease caused by them. This test can also be used assessing toxicity, or we can say hypervitaminosis, means it can increase the vitamin A into the blood. Vitamin A can also be this test can also be used to check the liver function assessment. Vitamin A can also be used to monitor the treatment efficacy. Now let's see the requirements. So for vitamin A test, we need blood in gel tube red top, we need tips blue yellow and centrifuge machine, we need advanced fully automated machine, we need a semi-automated machine like we have Find Care. Now let's see the test procedure. It's very simple. First of all, you have to guide the patient that the patient should be on fasting while performing this type of the test. So the patient should not eat any type of the food that contain vitamin A. Okay, next what will you do? After that, you will take the blood into the gel tube or red top. Then what will you do? You will centrifuge to get serum. Then you will if let's suppose you are using advanced machine, so you will run it on advanced machine. It's very simple. If let's suppose you are using FIA machine, a fluorescence immunoassay machine, like we have Find Care, we have Lofia, we have digrade machine, a lot of FIA machine, we have a lot of companies. Okay, so for that, let's suppose if we are using Find Care, so you need 75 microliter serum and you will mix it into the buffer 10 times. After that, what will you do? You take 75%, 75 means 75 microliter, and then what will you do? You will add it into the strip and will incubate it into the room temperature for 15 minutes. Now after that, you will read the strip into the Find Care quick or standard method. Let's see the normal range. So the normal range is 28 to 86 microgram per deciliter or 15 to 60 microgram per deciliter. Let's see the main causes of high vitamin A into the blood. So it is due to the mega vitamin therapy. If let's suppose a person have vitamin A deficiency, and if he is treat their self using mega vitamin, so by doing this treatment a lot, so there will be high vitamin A into the blood. Next we have long-term use of acene therapy. Okay, so if this therapy is used, so obviously it may cause high vitamin A. Accidentally ingestion of high dose of vitamins, so due to this way we can say that vitamin A will be increased into the blood. Remember guys, there will be no problems caused by vitamin A, but deficiency may cause the problem. Okay, high vitamin A doesn't cause any problem. A little bit there will be issue, but not a lot. But deficiency of vitamin A may be cause an issue. So what are the main reasons through which vitamin A will be decreased into the body? So it is due to the low vitamin A diet, fat malabsorption, liver and irritable bowel disease, celiac and Crohn disease. These are the main problems or issues through which the vitamin A will get decreased into the blood. So dear viewers, this is all about the vitamin A test. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understand. If you understand, so please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel to get more interesting videos like that. If you have question, so write your question into comment. I will try my best to give you answer as soon as possible.